Hi everyone, this is Noor. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to bring a very short energy update today, which basically covers the first 3 years of this decade, which includes 2020, which all of us know was highlighted by the coronavirus, 2021, this is the year that we are in now, and 2022, which will be next year. Why I felt important to talk about these 3 years is because this is a very, very pivotal time in the history of mankind as far as our generation is concerned. A lot of people had already been talking about a change that would be coming. A lot of energy intuitives, a lot of channelers, a lot of light workers have been talking about this for years, if not decades. And that change is here, but I'm sure that no one would have predicted that it would come the way it did come. I don't think, as far as my knowledge goes, I've not heard anyone speak of a virus that would shut the whole world down and it would lead to the kind of changes and situations that built up later on. Anyhow, why I want to talk about these 3 years specifically is because 2020 was a trigger point. It triggered the change that we are living in now, and as far as the collective consciousness is concerned, we haven't seen anything so massive in the last few decades or even the last century or so that has impacted us the way that the coronavirus situation has impacted us. And why this trigger was important was not just from the standpoint of making changes in lifestyles, but when we look at things from a spiritual perspective, this was kind of a wake-up call, an awakening, so to speak, that was needed in the masses. Which now brings me to the current year, which is 2021. In this year, a lot of us have been, everyone who was triggered, in fact, and whether or not you're one of those people who was triggered last year, who was sort of woken up from a very mundane reality to a completely different one, every one of us has been faced with a choice this year. And in case that kind of a crossroads moment hasn't come into your life yet, I am very sure that in the next few months, you will be experiencing that choice moment, which will sort of be like kind of a choice moment that will involve the spirit, which will involve making decisions at the soul level. It will have to sort of, it's going to push you to make a very, very informed decision of what you want your life to be like, and years later, what are the things that you want to be remembered by. Because once this choice is made, it is only this year that we will have a chance to take a look at it again and make any corrections to our choice if need be. As far as my channeling goes, I think by around February end or early March of 2022, all these choices will be locked. And we will not have a chance to redo our decisions. Whatever path that we are choosing now, that is exactly what we will have to live through in the years to come, whatever our lifespans are. So 2022 is going to be the most important year, I would say, for the coming many years and decades, so to speak, because a lot of foundational structures are going to be set up. We have already seen a lot of people making changes in that respect, because there are more and more people who are choosing to live a very spirit based life. And it does not matter whether you live in the city or you choose to live in the outskirts or a village or even a forest for that matter. I've seen some people do that. But the energy, the vibration that you choose to live by now is what is going to be solidified. And your life will bring you those resources and those experiences which will resonate with the choice that you have made. So 2022 is going to be an important year, energetically speaking, because when we talk about, setting up of foundations, it is natural that certain boundaries have to be set. And when boundaries have to be set for those foundations to be upheld strongly, it means that a lot of breaking away from people or situations, etc., will take place. So while I think at the foundational level, at the ground level, we will see a lot of positive changes as far as the surface reality is concerned, when it comes to the face value of how the physical reality looks. It is going to be a difficult time for a lot of people. We may see conflict at a very individual and personal levels. We'll see a lot more conflicts when it comes to relationships, whether it's between parents or siblings or children and parents, and a lot of relationships will be challenged. But why this is important is because once you've made your choice, there are not everyone will be able to be a part of that reality that you are choosing. As much as I want to, honor the blood relationships that we have, in times to come, we will realize that it's the vibrational connections that will play a more important role as far as the overall health of the planet and of the universe is concerned. So this is what I have for you today, and I just wanted to bring a quick update so that all of us are prepared for next year and for whatever few months that this current year has to offer. But I do want to end up on a positive note as far as next year is concerned, that we will have, I can already see the quickening of manifestation happening, and we will see a lot of people coming together in a way that will bring a lot of fulfillment, and we'll have a lot more people who are aligning with their soul purpose and creating wonderful lives for themselves and for the people around them. So I hope that this energy update helps you in making sound decisions, and please make sure that at the end of the day it is your own truth that you have to live by, and there isn't a lot that you will be allowed to carry until and unless it's your own. So thank you so much everyone for listening in, and I shall speak to you soon again. Bye.